If you love bold flavors that wake up your every taste bud, this mala chicken recipe is about to be your favorite obsession. Welcome back to KK's Kitchen. Today we are making a flavorful mala chicken that's all about aroma and taste without being overwhelming with the spice. You know, mala chicken is spicy, but today I'm not going to use too much spice. This version keep the signature fragrant stir-fry flavor, but it's balanced so you can enjoy the warmth without much heat. Crispy chicken, savory seasoning, and just the right touch of pepper. That's the perfect way to enjoy mala chicken at home. So let's get started. First, we are going to go ahead and we are going to do our prepping, and we are going to prep our seasoning and vegetables. Let's go. Here I'm cutting up some bell peppers. I'm using 3 color bell peppers. You know, different color have different flavor. Then I'm going in to cut my carrots. I'm using 3 medium carrots, and you can cut them, don't cut them too fine because we don't want them too mushy, okay? But you can cut them the size preferable to you. So I'll go ahead and cut these, chunk these carrots. Going in now with some scotchy, not using, as I said before, not using too much pepper because I want to enjoy this mala, okay? I'm not a fond of pepper at all. Here I'm doing my onions, and I'm chunking my onions as well. We want them to be big, okay? Don't want them too fine. So when we start putting the dish together, they don't easily get soggy. Here I'm going in with the star of the show, the cucumber, and I'm going to chop the cucumber about 1/2 inch thick. Remember, again, we're going for crunch, so we don't want them too small. So 1/2 inch thick is good enough for me. Giving a big shout out to all my subscribers and my members. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I appreciate every bit of it. Your support has not gone unnoticed. I see you guys, and I thank you. There you have it. All the seasoning and vegetable are well chopped. We have our carrot, cucumber, we have our different colors, bell pepper, onions, scallion, garlic, ginger, and here we have our chicken, and our chicken is already seasoned, you know, with the regular season that I usually use. And I have here a teaspoon of white sugar, that's granulated sugar, and I'll be using some dark soy sauce. So stay tuned, guys, don't leave. You want to see this finished product? Let's go. And this, now I will go in with some oil, and I'm using the olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Okay, now I am going in with my chicken. So I'm going to put in all the chicken in the pot at once, and I'm going to saute until it reaches my desired color, and also until it is cooked. Okay, here I'm going in with some dark soy sauce. I'm going to change the color a bit because I like the color on I like the meat on the darker side. So hence why I'm putting in the dark soy sauce. You don't have to do this part. If you like the meat as it is, you can use that color, or you can let it fry until it start getting color. But with this one, this is how I enjoy doing it. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I do it my way. You can choose how you want to do your chicken. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going in back with the same pot. I'm not going to wash the pot because I don't want to wash out that goodness from the pot, guys. So the same pot, I just take out the chicken and set aside, and we are going in now to put this thing together. This recipe is a quick and easy recipe. This recipe can be eaten by itself, and this will take, the total process take about 25 to 30 minutes depending on how you want your chicken. Okay, so I'm going with the oil, put in my garlic and my ginger. I am building the flavors as I go. I am going in now with my onions and saute as I go along. I am going in now with my carrots. And you're going to saute like for about 2 minutes. So we are putting the hardest to cook first. So you know the carrot will take a little time, so we're giving it a head start by giving it 2 minutes ahead. And by this, the stove will be on medium high. Going in now with my scotchy pepper and my bell peppers. You can put tomato in this dish as well, but I'm not using any tomato today. So I go in with my scallion top, the top part of the scallion that I cut earlier. I'm going in with my sugar, and as you go along you will taste your pot to see if it's at your desired taste or flavor. Okay, anything need to add or need to adjust, you can do so. Some people may want to put a little salt in there. I don't use the salt because I put enough seasoning on the chicken, so the chicken have that flavor that I want and that taste. So when I'm going back now with my chicken, incorporating everything together. So while I'm stirring the chicken into the vegetable, that flavor from the chicken, yes, will be on the vegetables. So I don't need to add any salt. Here I want a little gravy. This dish don't usually use gravy, but because I want to stretch it, I'm going to put in a little gravy. If you have broth, chicken broth, you could use it, or vegetable broth, but I don't have any. So what I did, I used that sachet from the chicken ramen. I used that and had a little hot water and put it to extend the gravy a little. Okay, but you don't have to. And here I'm going in now with the star of the show, the cucumber. And remember, cucumber can be eaten raw, so it don't need a lot of heat. And you want your vegetable crunchy. That is what makes this dish so delicious. That crunchy carrot, onion, you're tasting the crunch, and the cucumber, you're tasting the crunch. And so because you want the crunch, we will not let this stay on the fire for too long. 2 minutes the most, and turn off the stove. Okay, I'm going in now with some pepper seed, and this is for decoration and flavor. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I'm going to garnish with my scallion. This is the bottom part of the scallion, and you just cover and turn off your stove. And there you have it, mala chicken, that crispy, flavorful and perfect balance without being too spicy. If you enjoy this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you like your spice level. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe from KK's Kitchen and more. Until next time, happy cooking. See you in the next video. Wow, good. God bless you.